The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It is in South America. The Amazon has at least 80 inches of rainfall every year. The temperature moves between 70 degrees and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The Amazon has three major types of forest. They are Igapo, Varze, and Terra Firme. Many plants in agape forests have aerial roots. They have cupped leaves that store water. Many insects, frogs, snails, and snakes make home on that plant. The Amazon is flooded most of the year. This allows mammals and fish to migrate into the forest to feed. Some fish leap and pluck fruits from plants and help distribute seeds. The Amazon contains the most dense and tallest trees. The leaves can catch raindrops, helping to protect the soil from erosion. The rivers in the Amazon can be divided into three types. Black water, stained dark by plant decomposition. Clear water, and white water, nutrient-rich. Much of the Amazon forest is being destroyed for resources. Many pollutants are dumped into the rivers. The Amazon's rich ecosystem needs to be protected for maintaining the delicate balance in nature. Save forests and protect them as much as possible.